Hello, everyone. We're back with another exciting lineup of top 5 drones. Keep watching as we dive into these fantastic products. You can find links to all the items in the comments section and the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Ford Dock F9 Drone. Unleash the power of 4K camera technology supported by 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring crystal clear image capture and the recording of unforgettable moments. With the added advantage of 5G real-time image transmission, enjoy seamless FPV with smooth video streaming and no image delay, bringing every breathtaking detail right to your fingertips. Experience unparalleled freedom with a 3,000-meter flight range, facilitated by high-frequency 5G Wi-Fi HD signal transmission, allowing you to effortlessly capture the beauty of kilometers away and explore the world from new heights with stunning clarity. Discover the thrill of multiple flight modes, including Follow Me, Around Mode, Waypoint Mode, One Key, Takeoff Landing, Auto Return, Auto Hovering Mode, and Gravity Control Mode, all easily accessible through the dedicated app. Embrace safety and peace of mind with the electronic virtual fence technology, setting boundaries for distance and altitude, and ensuring that the drone stays within safe limits. Enjoy worry-free flying and ensure a stress-free experience, especially for beginners. Navigate with confidence using the advanced GPS positioning system, ensuring precise drone location details and providing an automatic return function. With this technology, rest assured that you'll never lose track of your drone, guaranteeing a worry-free and secure flying experience. Equipped with powerful brushless motors engineered for level 7 wind resistance, the 4DR CF9 guarantees a strong and stable flight, even in challenging conditions. Experience superior performance with reduced noise and enhanced energy efficiency, enabling you to enjoy flying adventures even in breezy coastal areas. Number 4. LARVENDER KF-102 Drone. Immerse yourself in the world of smart aerial photography with the KF-102 GPS drone featuring a professional 8K HD camera with a stabilizing 2-axis gimbal, ensuring your every shot is steady and crystal clear. Equipped with advanced anti-shake technology, this foldable quadcopter guarantees breathtaking imagery that captures every moment with unprecedented clarity. Experience seamless connectivity and real-time transmission with the 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, empowered by built-in dual antennas that provide a stable and high-speed live video feed. Unleash your creativity with the point surrounding flight feature, enabling you to effortlessly set a desired orbit height and radius, capturing captivating all-around videos of your chosen focal point and putting you at the center of every adventure. Seamless operation is at your fingertips with the One Key takeoff and landing button, ensuring a hassle-free flying experience for beginners and experts alike. Unleash the power of the robust brushless motor, delivering an unparalleled flying experience for both beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Equipped with multiple 7.4 2200 mAh batteries, the LARVENDER KF-102 ensures an extended flight time of up to 50 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture without any constraints. Immerse yourself in an unparalleled visual experience with the VR function, allowing you to engage in a fully immersive 3D view through compatible 3D glasses, bringing your shots to life with stunning realism and elevating your drone experience to new heights. Safety is paramount with the LARVENDER KF-102 drone, equipped with stable GPS positioning and an auto return RTH function that guarantees a secure flight path, ensuring your drone returns safely in any unforeseen circumstances, including signal loss or low battery. Number 3. POTENSIC Atom C Drone. Where lightweight design and cutting-edge technology converge to redefine the aerial exploration experience. Weighing an impressive 249 g, the Atom C drone's compact fold-up design ensures it easily slips into your jacket pocket, making it the perfect companion for your adventures. The built-in brushless motor guarantees a stable and smooth flight. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the 4K EIS camera with Sony sensor. This powerful camera can capture 12 MP photos and shoot 4K at 30 fps HD videos, delivering exceptional clarity and smoothness. With an expansive 118 FOV and a vertical range of +20 to 90, The exclusive Shake Vanish technology ensures your images are stable and crystal clear. Enjoy seamless and stable control with the PixSync 2.0 technology, allowing for a control range of up to 4 km and a transmission distance of 1,230 fort with its low latency HD digital video. Rest assured that your footage will be consistently stable and precise, even in challenging shooting conditions. Experience the thrill of flight with the SJRC flight control system, offering beginner, normal, and sport modes. With a maximum speed of up to 16 ms in just 2.8 seconds, challenge your piloting skills and enjoy a flexible and intuitive flight control experience. Never miss a moment with the AtomC's 62-minute flight time, courtesy of the two intelligent 2500 mAh batteries. Enjoy extended recording sessions and capture the world around you with unparalleled freedom. Experience worry-free flying with AtomC's precise GPS auto-return and multi-flight modes, ensuring a safe return to the takeoff point in case of signal loss or low power. Explore a world of possibilities with features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight, providing you with an array of exciting flying opportunities. Number 2. SJRC F-22 Drone. Equipped with advanced GPS functionality, the F-22 boasts a seamless one-click return to the takeoff point, ensuring a safe and effortless landing. In case of low power or signal loss, rest assured that the F-22 will smoothly navigate back to its origin. Experience unparalleled flight precision with GPS intelligent following and cutting-edge image following capabilities. With the ability to identify objects and autonomously track their flight, capturing dynamic aerial footage has never been easier. Capture the perfect shot effortlessly with our innovative gesture, shooting, and recognition feature. Within a 1-3 m range, simply use photo or camera gestures in front of the F-22's camera to freeze your memorable moments in time. Plan your adventure ahead with a multi-point route planning flight, allowing the F-22 to navigate autonomously while you focus on capturing stunning visuals from the sky. Should your F-22 venture far, utilize the aircraft retrieval function by simply tapping the GPS signal icon 3 times to access the map interface, revealing the precise latitude and longitude of the last known location. Unlock creative possibilities with the Fixed Point Surround feature, enabling you to easily set the desired radius using the intuitive control panel. Let the F-22 find the center of the surround, while you sit back and enjoy the view. Share your breathtaking aerial photographs with ease using the picture and video sharing function. Whether it's a single image or a collection, effortlessly spread your visual storytelling with just a few taps. Capture every detail with the F-22's high-definition wide-angle, 100 adjustable camera, ensuring that no moment goes unnoticed. Number 1. FlyFaith 2 Pro Drone. The ultimate companion for aerial exploration. Let's delve into the remarkable features that make it the perfect choice for both amateurs and professionals. With an impressive 20,000 FT real-time transmission range, this drone is your window to the world from great heights. Beginner mode ensures a safe and controlled flight within 98 ft. But for the more daring explorers, simply switch off the beginner mode and unlock the full potential of your journey. And with an impressive 64 minutes of flight time, made possible by the intelligent dual battery system, you can enjoy extended flights without any rush, ensuring every precious moment is captured. Equipped with a powerful 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal, the Faith 2 Pro captures every moment with stunning clarity and stability, giving you the freedom to unleash your creativity from every angle. Its advanced GPS system ensures a safe return to the takeoff point, even in case of low battery or lost signal. With features like GPS Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Waypoint Fly, the Faith 2 Pro becomes the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. And with its exceptional Level 7 wind resistance, courtesy of the built-in brushless motor, the Faith 2 Pro remains steadfast, providing you with steady and clear footage, even in challenging weather conditions. Unleash your creativity and capture the world from a breathtaking new perspective with the FlyFaith 2 Pro. Elevate your adventures, one flight at a time.